Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet contains tiebacks designs model. Crochet contain tiebacks are decorative and functional pieces made using crochet techniques that are used to hold contains open. They are both practical and ornamental, adding a handmade finish or rustic charm to your windows. Here is a detailed breakdown. Purpose: hold curtains back. Keep curtains neatly gathered to let in light or frame a window. For decorative accents, add texture, pattern, and elegance, especially in vintage farmhouse or shabbatic interiors. Materials used: cotton here, most common for durability and softness, linen or thread for a delicate lacy effect, plastic or cord, sometimes combined for flexibility. Beads or buttons can be added for extra decoration. Types of crochet tiebacks: simple loop tiebacks, a small crocheted band or loop that wraps around the curtain. Button tiebacks, crocheted pinned with a button closer. Beaded or embellished tiebacks, crochet combined with beads or tassels. Tassels tiebacks, crochet forms a base with hanging tassels for extra style. Design styles: vintage lace style for delicate airy patterns that look antique. Modern minimal, simple motifs with subtle color for contemporary rooms. Advantage: add personalized charm to curtains. Lightweight and flexible, can be custom made to match curtains colors or room decor. Washable and durable, depending on your type. Where it fits: perfect for kitchen curtains, living rooms, or bedrooms. Works best with light to medium oil curtains. Here are some practical and creative tips for using or making crochet curtain tiebacks to make your windows look stylish and cozy. First, match your two curtains style. Light airy curtains, use thin cotton or linen thread for delicate lace tiebacks. Thick or rustic curtains, use chunky yarn for a cozy farmhouse feel. Neutral curtains, add colorful or textured tiebacks for contrast. Measure before you crochet. Measure the circumference of your curtains when pulled back. Add extra length for overlap or closer, especially if using patterns or loops. Ensure the tiebacks fits snugly without pulling too tight. Add decorative elements like beads, buttons, or small wooden accents. Can make tiebacks unique. Tassels or frings at the ends add elegance or rustic charm. Combine two colors of yarn for subtle patterns or stripes. Consider crochet types: loop and button. Simple and secure, great for heavier curtains. Elastic band, flexible and easy to use for various curtains thicknesses. Turn knot, classic look adjustable for different curtains. Layer for extra style, use two tiebacks per curtains, on at mid-height and on near the top for a vintage look. Combine crochet tiebacks with ribbon or fabric ties for depth and texture. Placement tips: generally place tiebacks on touch up from the bottom of the curtain for a natural drop. Adjust according to window height and curtain's length for visual balance. DIY and personalization. Crochet your favorite patterns, shells, flowers, or lace motifs for a custom touch. Mix and match tiebacks for different rooms, like kitchen, bedrooms, living rooms, to suit their style. Washable yarn ensures tiebacks stay clean over time. Experiment with texture. Combine different crochet stitches like shell, puff, or popcorn stitches to create a rich, textured look. A raised pattern make the tieback stand out against plain curtains. Color coordination. Match tiebacks to a secondary color in your curtains or nearby Decor for subtle cohesion. For a vintage look, use minted pastel or cream colored yarns. For contrast, bright or dark yarn adds visual interest without overwhelming the room. Treble construction. Reinforce the loop or closer with extra stitches so it doesn't stress out over time. For heavier curtains, use a stronger cotton or wool yarn. Avoid very soft or slippery yarns that might slide off the curtain. Use patterns to reflect room style. Vintage or antique, use lace motifs, delicate floral designs, and scalloped edged. From pulse or cutters, use chunky yarns, simple knots, and rustic tassels. Modern or minimal, use clean lines, single stitch patterns, and neutral colors. Mix with other materials, add ribbon, jute cord, or beads to enhance the crochet tieback. Small wooden buttons or charm adds character, especially in rustic or cottage-style rooms. Adjustable tiebacks. Crochet a long loop with a button so it can adjust for different curtains thicknesses. Alternatively, make a slip-on elastic band inside the crochet for versatility. Maintain shape. Block the crochet bit after finishing to keep it flat and even. For delicate lace tiebacks, lightly searching them can keep them crisp. Play with length. Longer tiebacks can wrap around curtains twice for a more secure hold. Shorter tiebacks are subtle and delicate, perfect for lightweight curtains. And functional embellishments like tiny hooks, rings, or clips can be added inside the crochet for extra grip on slippery fabrics. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!